मैं अच्छी तरह से सुन रहा था और बहुत लोगों ने, मुझे खुशी हुआ, बहुत लोगों ने लद्दाख, लेह, करगिल के जिक्र किया, लेकिन मैं जानना चाहता हूं क्या वाकई वो लद्दाख जानते हैं ये लोग? आज तक बीते 71 साल 7 डेकेड्स लद्दाख को बिल्कुल अपनाया नहीं, बिल्कुल फेंक के रखा वहां पे और वक्तव्य दिया इसी सदन में वो जमीन है का टुकड़ा है जहां पे एक तिनका का घास नहीं उगते हैं। ऐसे वक्तव्य देने वाले क्या लद्दाख को समझते हैं? क्या लद्दाख के विशेष संस्कृति को जानते हैं? क्या लद्दाख की भाषा को जानते हैं? क्या लद्दाख के रहन सहन, खान पान, वहां के ज्योग्राफिकल कंडीशन, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, जो दुर्गम क्षेत्र है, क्या वो जानते हैं या खाली किताबें पढ़ के बोल रहे हैं? अध्यक्ष महोदय, लद्दाख ने
और इस पूरे मामले पर फारूक अब्दुल्ला का बयान हमारे पास आया है, वो हम आपको सुनाना चाहते हैं।
And how are you doing health-wise?
I'm not too well. I have a problem of blood pressure, I have a problem of heart, I am also a transplanted patient. And I am arrested in the house. Whatever the Home Minister says is totally baseless. I was not allowed to leave. Nobody is allowed to come into my house. I have a DSP posted outside. How dare anybody comes? So much so that between my daughter's house and sister's house, the door that was there, on the very first day lock was put on it. We had to shout and say, what is this happening? What do you want to do?
And this has happened to Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah's son,
Yes.
who handed over Jammu and Kashmir to Government of India,
Yes.
who chose secular India to religious Pakistan.
Yes, yes.
You feel hurt today?
I don't have words to say.
You're crying,
But
Dr.
how
Saab.
can India do this to a state which joined the nation on the basis of secular India, democratic India? This is not democratic India.
Will you go to the
This is
grave of
dictator.
your father and weep and cry there?
I'll cry everywhere because it's something we never thought will ever come to our people. Never. It has never been part of our life. We gave our life to stand with this country. Can they forget? How many of our people have died to stand with them? Where were they in 96 when we fought the election? Were there flags flying here? It was I who stood up. And in 2002 they could fight election, every one of them. Is this what we deserve?
370 is gone. 370 is gone. Can you imagine this?
I have never thought of it. In my wildest dream I could never have thought they could do this thing, which is a constitutional guarantee to the state. Not to Farooq Abdullah alone, to the people of the state.
And you think it's a treachery, it's cheating, what has
It is
happened?
absolutely dictatorship, I would say. It's not democracy.
How are you going to fight this now?
We will see every other avenue that is available to us.
Last
Leave that
time-
to take.
Last time when you and your son met Prime Minister, the Prime Minister, what did Prime Minister tell you? Did you get a whiff of this is coming?
Not at all. Prime Minister was extremely nice. There were three of us. Myself, my son, Justice Massoudi. He was extremely good. None of these things ever were supposed to be on the card. We requested him, please see that nothing is done. We said that Yatra is going on very well. The governor himself is saying everything is fine. Visitors are everywhere. My friends' children are in Gulmarg. So what is this about, what has happened today? This was not even, I couldn't even dream of this.
3 times Chief Minister, 1 time Chief Minister, your son, and your
Minister in central government.
Cabinet Minister in centre government, and you're kind of jailed. You're jailed.
Totally
What is happening?
jailed.
You're a separatist, new separatist
Totally
now.
jailed.
Do you think you're a
totally
new
jailed.
separatist in the eyes of Government of India today?
We all, according to them, being Muslims, are separatists.